I'm going to try and make a table like this one, only using stuff I can find at B&M and spending less than 50 quid. This one is £100, so let's give this a go. So off I went, little jaunt to B&M. I had a £50 budget, so I picked up this planter for £19.99, this storage basket with a lid I'm going to use for the tabletop for 8 quid, no more nails for £3.99, this furniture paint for £12 and a brush for £2.25, so £46.23 so far. Now onto making it. I started by taking these little notches off the lid part, then gave everything a light sand so the paint can really grip on in there. Then this paint is a 10 out of 10 for me. Great coverage. I'm a big fan of this bluey green colour. I painted the tabletop and the planter and I can't believe how well it covered this, to be honest. Then did the underside of the tabletop and went in for a second coat on everything again. After that had all dried, I went ham with the no more nails to stick it all together, and I also used it as a bit of a gap filler for a seamless finish. I even had a few quid change to go back and get this little candle, and it all just looks so cute together, and I'm really impressed. Pretty good for less than 50 quid.